In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a link in WordPress. This process is straightforward and will help you enhance your website by directing your readers to valuable resources or pages. Let's dive in, and I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. First, make sure you're logged into your WordPress dashboard. From the dashboard, head over to the page you want to edit. In our example, this is the home page, but the same steps apply no matter which page or post you're working on. Once you're in the edit mode for your selected page, you'll need to find the text area where you want to add a link. If there isn't an existing text block where you'd like the link to appear, you can easily add a new one. A common example text you might use is "click here for more." Now highlight the text you've chosen to use as your link prompt. With the text highlighted, you should notice a small toolbar pop up above it. Among the icons, there's one that looks like a link in a chain, which is the link icon. Click on this icon and you'll see a space where you can enter the URL you wish to link to. At this point, you should have the URL ready, whether it's a link to another page on your site or perhaps an external resource. Simply paste the desired web address into the field. Don't forget, ensuring the link opens in a new tab can be a good practice, especially for external links, as it allows your readers to return to your site easily. Once you've added your link, make sure to click on Save, or in some WordPress versions, you might see Update, depending on the context of the page you're editing. This step ensures that all of your changes are preserved and will appear live on your website. Double check that the link is correctly placed by viewing the page. You can do this by clicking on the View Page button or simply navigating externally to the page in a new tab. Finally, click on the link you've just added to verify that it redirects you to the correct location. If everything is working as planned, congratulations! Your link is successfully embedded, providing easy navigation for your visitors. And there you have it. You've effectively added a link in WordPress, a simple yet essential skill for optimizing your website. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Make sure to subscribe for more WordPress tips and tutorials.